Health Check with Nurse Jenn is presented by Island Cancer Center.
Day, I'm Nurse Jenn, and it's time for your health check. Do you have any weird bumps that just poof, one day just showed up? Not all bumps are created equal. A wart can be the most stubborn of all the bumps. This is because it's caused by several strains of the HPV virus. The good news is that a solo wart is typically harmless and painless. However, if plantar or genital warts develop, then pain will follow. Please resist the urge to yank it off yourself, because then you could actually increase your risk of infection. Medical professionals agree that if you have more than one wart or get recurrent warts, to first get the wart biopsied, and then it can be removed by applying acid to it. Another bump disorder to look out for is cherry angioma. These are small, bright red clustered bumps that completely flat on the skin. A cherry angioma is a dilated blood vessel, and according to Dr. Nada Ibulak, professor at New York University Longhorn Medical Center, you can get cherry angiomas at any age, as it is hereditary. Typically, if a sibling has it, your chances are heightened. The good news is that it's totally benign and can easily be removed with intense laser light removal therapy sessions. Another bump culprit are skin tags. These are harmless, fleshy skin growths that often pop up in clusters. They can be annoying, especially if they're located where clothing tends to rub against. The constant friction can be irritating, eventually causing inflammation. Do not attempt to remove them by yourself. A trained professional can either freeze or numb it before snipping it off. And a very common bump disorder right here on Guam is a boil. A boil is caused by bacteria or sometimes an ingrown hair. And boils love dark, moist areas such as your fafa, your genitals, your buttocks. If the boil produces a fever, excessive pain, or is getting redder and more swollen every day, then it's time to see a doctor. The doctor will perform an incision and drainage and prescribe antibiotic therapy. Hang out with us KUAM folks just a little bit more. We got some good stuff coming up. I'm Jennifer Artero, registered nurse, reminding you, don't wreck yourself, health check yourself.
Health Check with Nurse Jenn is presented by Island Cancer Center.